In today's video, I will walk you through how to add action movie filters using Filmora. Start by opening Filmora, creating a new project, and dragging your video onto the timeline. Next, go to the Effects or Filters section and browse through the available filter categories. Choose an action movie style filter that matches the look you want, then drag it onto your clip. If the effect looks too strong, lower the filter opacity until it looks natural and balanced. After that, open the color adjustment controls and make the necessary color changes to complete the action movie look. Preview your clip as you adjust the settings and make any final tweaks if needed. Action movie filters help give your footage a bold, dramatic appearance with a more cinematic feel. They are a great choice for action scenes, sports videos, fitness content, outdoor adventures, gaming clips, and other fast-paced edits. And that's how to add action movie filters using Filmora. Thank you for watching the video.